Good morning children. Today we are going to discussing about the molars and what are the healthy habits of to keep our teeth safe or healthy. So all those things we discussed here in this class. So before going to discuss all these things, just recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we discussed about the types of teeth. So there are three types of teeth. So first one incisors, second one canines, third one molars. So okay, incisors. So incisors are broad and they have sharp edges. Okay. So incisors are broad, okay, and they have sharp edges. So we have 8 incisors present in our mouth. So in upper jaw 4 incisors are there, and in lower jaw 4 incisors are there. Total 8 incisors. We have 8 incisors present in our mouth. So yeah, what how the incisors are useful to us means, so incisors help to cut the food items very easily. Okay, yeah, incisors helps to cut the food items very easily. Like example, so when you are eating fruits and vegetables, the incisors are help to cut the vegetables and fruits very easily. Okay, next canines. So these canines are the little long and very sharp teeth. So we have 4 canines present in our mouth. So in upper jaw there are 2 canines, and in lower jaw so there are 2 canines. Totally 4 canines are present in our mouth here. So canines help to tear the food. Okay. So but the canines in animals like dogs, tigers and other carnivorous animals are very long and sharp. So that's why these animals, they easily tear their flesh. They easily tear the flesh of other animals. Okay. The function of canines are the canines are help to tear the food. Example, so when we are eating sugarcane, here canines are help to tear the sugarcane. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the molars. These are the molars. Okay. So here what is meant by molars means, the teeth which are in the part of jaws are called as molars. Yeah, so the molars are very big and flat. Here molars help to grind the food. So we have 20 molars in our mouth. In upper jaw there are 10 molars, in lower jaw there are 10 molars. Totally 20 molars are present in our mouth. Okay. Molars. The teeth which are in the part of jaws are called as molars. Molars are very big and flat. Molars help to grind the food. Example, so here molars chew a piece of coconut. Then the molars help to chew the grind the food very easily. So we have 20 molars in our mouth. So in upper jaw there are 10 molars, and in lower jaw there are 10 molars are present in our mouth. Okay. The main function of the molars are help to grind the food very easily. Molars help to grind the food very easily. Okay. Here are few sentences are there. Yeah, Karim is a 7 months old boy. Now his teeth are appearing. So these are milk teeth. Okay, Karim is a 7-month old baby. So now his teeth are appearing. So these are called as milk teeth. Okay. So next, John is a 8 years old boy. His teeth have started falling, and in their place, so new teeth are appearing. Okay. John is a 8 years old. His teeth have started falling, and in their place new teeth are appearing. Okay. So now John has 20 teeth. Okay. So now Suresh is 35 years old. So he has 32 teeth. Suresh is a 35 years old. He has 32 teeth. And now Rangaji is 70 years old. Some of her teeth have fallen. They will not grow again. So, okay. So by these sentence we are concluded that when the baby born after 7 months, the teeth will be appearing. So these teeth are called as milk teeth. Okay. So at the age of 6 to 8 years old, the milk teeth will be started falling, and in the place of milk teeth, so there will be a new teeth will be starts appearing. So total there is a 20 teeth. Okay. So at the age of 35 years or at the adult age, so human have totally 32 teeth. Okay. So at the age of 70 years old, the teeth will be started fallen. Okay. Here one activity is there. So count your teeth and write here. So next, count your teeth that have fallen and write here. So the total teeth that you have and write here. Okay. The teeth that appear in the children of 1 to 6 years, there will be a 20 teeth. That these teeth are called as milk teeth. Okay, these teeth are called as milk teeth. They start falling from the age around the 7 to 8 years. So okay, at the age of 7 to 8 years, okay, the teeth are called as permanent teeth. Okay, the teeth are called as permanent teeth. If the permanent teeth fall, they will not grow again. So we have to protect the permanent teeth. An adult person has totally 32 teeth in their mouth. Among them, 8 are incisors and 4 are canines and 20 teeth are molars. Okay, I will once again repeat it. The teeth that appear in the children of 1 to 6 years are called as milk teeth. So there are 20 milk teeth are present. Okay. So next, at the age of 7 to 8 years, the milk teeth will be starts falling and new teeth will be appear in their place. So these teeth are called as permanent teeth. There are totally 32 teeth present in our mouth. So okay, an adult person has totally 32 teeth. So these teeth are called as permanent teeth. So they will not, if permanent teeth fall, they will not grow again. So we have to protect the permanent teeth. Okay, an adult person have 32 permanent teeth. Among them, 8 are incisors and 4 are canines and 20 teeth are molars. Okay, next class we are going to discuss about the what are the healthy habits, or how we protect the streets, how we protect the teeth, and what are the good habits to protect our teeth healthy. Okay, thank you.